Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the bike safe. Disconnect the battery and remove the charger module. Use a multimeter to confirm 0 volts at the connector. This prevents shorts. Once done, inspect the harness for crushed insulation, corrosion, or brittle wires, and note colors and pin positions. If a fuse is present, check continuity now. Make sure to work in bright light and keep parts organized so you know which screw and wire return to each hole. You next trace the fault. Check that 12V from the bike arrives at the charger board and that the board steps down to 5V. If voltage appears only at input, the regulator or protection diode is suspect. Once located, remove the faulty component and install a rated replacement, match polarity and orientation. Make clean solder joints and use heat shrink over exposed conductors. This stops future shorts. After repairs, recheck continuity and voltages before final assembly, because a mistaken polarity will damage devices. You finish by securing the USB module back in place and sealing all joints against moisture. Heat shrink first, then a bead of silicone at the entry. Once done, reconnect the battery and test under load. Plug in a phone and measure 5V at the port while charging. Make sure voltage stays stable. If charging fails, try one troubleshooting tip. Check the ground connection. Poor frame ground is a common silent culprit. Clean grounding surfaces and tight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.